Oh my god. There's kids playing everywhere. And I'm one of them. Oh my gosh. I hope there's no rats in here. Go!
There go the forces.
They're done, Manuel.
Obviously not.
You look like Ariana Grande right now. You're like this. Like you're recording like I'm so jealous of all the kids. I'm too shy to ask to play.
I'm cold.
The snow is getting directly in our faces, but it's worth it because we're Texans. This makes us excited. Manuel suggested that I make a little snowman for the bench so he can just sit super cute. It's so soft.
Is it too soft?
It's too soft. Can you kind of see? This
Super
is
ugly. This is my taco with a fork, knife, and spoon for some reason.
And this is my spaghetti. Can you tell?
That didn't work.
Cute, cute. Okay, how are you gonna get out of it? Okay, what do we rate Manuel's snow angel? 1 through 10.
My hands are so cold. All right, good form.
Okay. Oh, I'm too sore for this. How's it looking?
It's looking pretty good. Yeah.
Okay. That looks really good.
It does look really good.
Okay. I got everything in there, all the features of the angel. Let's go. There's snow going down my butt. It's horrible.
So I clearly need to start buying some snow outfits for the one day of the year.
Yeah. We usually only experience one snow day a year here in New York. Just because we usually go back home to Texas for winter break. But the one day that it snows while we're here, it's the best. I love it so much.
Yeah.
So many people don't want to come outside, but I love it. Next year, we will be investing in sleds because I was way too shy to ask the kids if I could borrow theirs because I just didn't want to look like a old lady being annoying. I don't know. We're gonna kill it next year. We'll be more prepared. Okay, wait, look.
Oh yeah!
That's cute. That counts. That can count as this year's snowman. You wanna go back inside?
Made one.
Dude,
You've never made a snow angel?
No.
snow got in my crack.
I'll never forget the first time that I ever played with snow was with you and Ari. Freshman
Really?
year. Yeah.
Aww, I remember that. Perfect snow angel spot. Okay, you have to fall into it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah! Jump out of it. That's a cute one. Okay, everyone give Alexa her rating on her snow angel. For me, this is a 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
How long have you guys been out here?
Too long.
Like an hour?
Oh my.
Oh no!
It's all over.
Like a little cone head.
Little Eskimo. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
She just got here.
This was fun. We can go now. Oh my god, how cute they have a sled.
Wait, Sam.
What?
Outro.
Outro? Thank you for watching. We're going inside now.
I have to keep clapping because if not, I don't know if my fingers are there.